Hello, I'm David Monteiro and I'm a tour guide. You can find more information in my website at davidmonteiro.me. Thank you for joining me here and I hope you will enjoy your time. How to cook pataniscas as a Portuguese. Don't you know what pataniscas are? Well, I'm not surprised, but you don't know what you're missing. Please stay with me here and I will explain you how to cook them. Ingredients to cook, a bunch of pataniscas. 300 grams of shredded cod, half chopped onion, 3 eggs, 100 grams of flour, 100 to 100 milliliters of water from cooking the codfish, parsley, salt, pepper and olive oil. And then to fry the pataniscas you will need olive oil or frying oil. Mix the cod, eggs, chopped onion, parsley, olive oil, salt and pepper in a bowl. Mix everything, stirring until the various ingredients are well mixed. Then add the flour, continually stirring until it is well dissolved. Add the water used for cooking the cod. Please note, the amount of water to be added will depend on the flour's quality and the egg's size. It is intended that the dough is neither too liquid nor too dry. With the frying oil very hot, add portions equivalent to a tablespoon to fry. Do not let the pataniscas over-fry. Turn the pataniscas as soon as one side is browned. When removing the pataniscas from the frying pan, I suggest placing the pataniscas on kitchen paper. The purpose is to remove some excess frying oil. They are ready to eat. Enjoy! Hello again. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed yourself and please do not hesitate to get in touch with me if you feel the need to. You can check my contact details at my website davidmonteiro.me. The way you can help me is to share this post with your friends and family if you liked it. It is easy for you and extremely important for me. Keep yourself happy and safe, and I hope for your next visit. Bye!